Okay, welcome to my another session, students. And here I am going to discuss about the scope of the variable local and global. Okay, so let's start with our session. Okay, that is scope of a variable. This is related with all function, or this is all related with function. Actually, scope means where we are using the variables inside the function or outside the function. That is mainly the scope of the variable. That means how long the variable is existing. Without the function, it is existing or not existing. Okay, now what do you mean by the scope of the variable? The variable will be visible or the variable will be recognized. Okay, I can say it visible or it can be recognized, like that. Okay, it means where we can use this variable, right? So where we are calling some variables, say x, y, z, a, b, c. Okay, so where we are calling or using the variable, it is possible to use it or not. That is depending upon the scope of the variable. Okay, right? Okay, okay. So let's continue with the topic. Okay, so scope of the variable means the part of the program where we can visible the variable or where we can use the variable. Okay, where it is possible to use the variable with its proper name, with its belonging name. Okay, so we can say scope is a collection of variables and their values. Okay, so scope is nothing but the collection of variables and values, or we can say scope is a what can I say, feature of the variable that will define the variable itself, or that will define the variable where it can be used. Okay, right, inside the program. Okay, inside the program or inside the function or all in everywhere, that is the thing. Okay, scope can be two types. One is global scope, another one is local scope. So very important, this one and even this one as well. Okay, all those names which are assigned at the top level, this sentence is very important, or this part of the sentence is very important. Top level in the module or directly assigned in the interpreter is the global one. Okay, see, whenever we are defining some variable into the module or at the top of the program or at the top of the module, that all are belong to the global variable. We can say any variable that is outside the function, we are declaring that becoming the global variable. Okay, or always remember, whenever a variable is defined at the top level of the module, directly assigned in the program or in the interpreter, that is the global variable. That is about local and global variable. Now coming to the example, let me show this example very global variable. Elaborately I am going to explain it. Which name are local? See the question, which names are local, which are global, and which are built in the following code fragment. Okay, now one is inv equals to big names. This is a type of, what is the type of this variable? This is a str or string type of variable. Okay, pos equals to 200. This is a integer. This is a integer. Pos is an integer. Level 1, this is also a integer. Okay. Now DEF. Okay, one thing is wrong in this code. Just note it down. The indentation is not given over here. So this part of the program will be inside the function. Okay. So indentation is wrong over here. So you just note it down. There is a typing mistake has been done. Okay. So this is the definition of the function. So this is the function header, def play. Okay, and we can see here no argument has been given. Okay, now max level, what variable we have got? inv, pos and level. These are defined at the top of the program, top portion of the program. Before the definition of the function, these three are defined. Okay, now inside the function, max underscore level has been defined. Outside the function, okay, that has been defined top of the function. Okay, now we can use a global variable in a function, but this max level cannot be used outside the function. Okay, now here a bracket should be there, return level. Okay, so return level, whenever I am returning max level, it is returning the value of max level and it is printing it here. Now res, another variable I have got, res. Now see, this res is not defined at the top of the code, but it can be chosen as global variable over here because no main function has been written. Okay, now if I will write like this, main, and from this main function I will write res inside this main function. Okay, just a minute. Okay, inside this main function I am writing this play and print res. Now calling the main function from the outside of the code. Okay, now this way also we can write a code as well. So now this res will become the local variable. Now this res will become the local variable, but here no main function has been given, mind it. So res will go to the global variable. Okay, so what are the global variable over here? Let's see. Let me erase all the things so that you will get in a clear way idea. Okay, okay, so inv, g for global, l for local. Okay, so inv, pos, level, these are the global variables, as these are the outside of the function defined at the top of the program. Okay, now level max underscore level is the local variable here, right? Now what is about res? Res will comes under this global variable because no main function has been written. Okay, now what is the built-in function, or what are built-in function? It should be built-in function. Built-in function is used len, okay, global keyword as per our need inside a function. Okay, so sometimes suppose we need a like we need a value of POS, or I want to change the value of level from inside the function. Okay, so that I can do with this global keyword. This is a keyword. Okay, so that is it for local and global. I hope you have understood the thing. So that is it for local and global variable. I hope you have understood the full concept of local and global variable, and you will find it more easier, more what can I say, like I can elaborate it with an example so that you could find it. Meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing Python program. Just keep doing the things so that you will get master to it. Okay. So thank you very much. Let's end up today's session over here. Next day we will meet with a new topic, that is